If you notice a melted or broken terminal on an indoor blower capacitor, act immediately to prevent further electrical damage and safety hazards. A melted or broken terminal means the capacitor can no longer make a reliable electrical connection, and the blower motor may not run or may run intermittently. First, shut power off at the service disconnect or circuit breaker and verify power is removed with a non-contact tester or meter. Remove the capacitor only after discharging it safely by shorting the terminals with an insulated tool through a resistor or using a purpose-built discharge tool so stored charge cannot shock you. Match the replacement exactly to the original by voltage rating, microfarad value and tolerance, and use the same or higher temperature rating for indoor blower compartments. Replace any damaged terminal fittings and crimps with proper insulated quick connects of the correct size and crimp securely with a ratchet crimper to avoid high resistance joints. After reconnecting wires to the correct terminals, restore power briefly and monitor for excessive heat, vibration, or unusual noise before closing the access panel. Common mistakes include reconnecting wires to the wrong terminals, which can change the blower speed or prevent operation. So always label wires or photograph the original layout first. Another frequent issue is using improper crimping or non-insulated connectors that allow corrosion or loosen over time. Fix this by using correct gauge insulated terminals and a quality crimper. A third problem is ignoring heat damage in the wiring harness. If you see melted insulation, replace the affected section and check for the underlying cause, such as motor overload or poor connections, rather than just swapping the capacitor. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors and compare profiles and reviews related to urgent repairs like capacitor replacement. We also connect contractors with job opportunities and host an active discussion community where we and other members share practical repair tips and local recommendations.